If I were to recommend lesser known places or attractions in Macau right now, I would suggest places rich in local flavor. For example, the historic Senado Square and the new Central Hotel in Macau, which opened recently after renovation. So it has nearly a 100-year history since 1928 actually. Like if we were to look at the design of it, the meticulous decor inside evokes a sentiment of the 20s, 30s, and 40s. So it's like we're traveling back in time where the East meets the West. And actually the hotel was listed as one of the Macau's heritage site in 1992. The surrounding area also features ancient streets and traditional shops, which are all really interesting places to go to.
Portuguese chicken, maybe you won't want to miss it. It's basically a tender chicken that is cooked with various ingredients. And I think the ingredients and the sauce are very important to know because it's like a combination of the Chinese and also Western sauces and ingredients. There are coconut powder, curry powder, onions, and sometimes it would have white wine, and also it has beer from Portuguese. So
lovely.
I think it's a combination of different ingredients.
Thank you, chef. So, do you have the recipe?
This is CGTN Radio. Hear the difference.